Muling masusubukan sa ibabaw ng lona ang undefeated boxer na anak ni pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao na si EMAN Pacquiao. Lalaban ito mamaya sa blow-by-blow Trilla in Manila na gagawin sa Cubao, Metro Manila. Makakalaban niya ang pambato ng Bohol na si NICO Salado para 6 na rounds na suntukan. May record si BACOSA na 6 na panalo, 8 talo at 4 tinapos sa knockout, habang 2 panalo at may 1 talo itong si Salado. Marami ang umaasa na magiging impresibo ang ipapakita ni EMAN sa laban, lalo't na't kontrobersyal ang resulta ng huling laban niya. Bago ang laban ay balikan muna natin ang huling laban ni EMAN kontra Arnaud Darius Makita mula Congo. Nangyari ito noong Marso lang sa Parañaque.
He did score those 2 knockout reach. BACOSA charging in. Makita throwing that right hand once more. Let his hands go. That time, throw a right hand. BACOSA down, but that was a slip on that left hand. He's got to throw those combinations. BACOSA still is looking. Ang baba ng dalawang kamay ni BACOSA. He's actually inviting Makita to come in. Then Makita. Holding. There's that jab. Then he... Right hand. I would say that was scored in this. Left jab and then BACOSA. Holding Makita, getting a warning here for further deal versus BACOSA. Left hand connected by Makita and the right. But here's Makita. Makita putting up a solid fight here against BACOSA. That jab to set up his right hand. Left hand coming. A wild swing by Makita. Now remember, BACOSA has power. He has scored 4 knockouts. Makita ties him up, going too many punches here, but he comes charging. When Makita comes in, he's got to be ready with. BACOSA now beginning to unload. Right hand poked there by Makita. Just missing that time with the right hand. As BACOSA. Leo Garcia getting a little impatient. Minute to go here in round number 4. And scored there by BACOSA. Fighting very physical. Movement here by BACOSA. He tries that left jab. BACOSA. Makita throwing a lot of punches now. Missing their target. And the crowd, 10-second clapper has now sounded. Consistency. Look at Makita holding on to the arm of BACOSA, and BACOSA pulling him down. Ito na naman. And that's what Makita's been doing. Yeah, looks exasperated. And here's BACOSA once more. Really had control of it. And EMAN BACOSA has won by a unanimous decision.